Good morning, everybody. We've had a lot of questions in regards to credit scores, how credit affects you in real estate, and just kind of the general subject of credit. So I thought it would be an amazing video to break down today to explain what exactly, or rather how exactly your credit works and how you can master it. There are three big steps, in my opinion, that you really need to fundamentally understand in order to really get a grasp on what your credit is and how to best utilize it. First is no more myths. This one I get so often, and it's in the world of real estate, thankfully I've gained the knowledge about this and how to correct these things. The first is that when it comes to credit cards, you should have a large balance, build it up every month, and then pay it off in one big sum. Contrary to popular belief, that is not true. That actually hurts your credit. It increases your total credit balance, which lowers your score. The truth to that is that you want to keep a reoccurring low balance, usually around $5, to keep the account open but show regular payments with a low balance. The second one is that any hard pulls hurt your credit. So this one is kind of a myth. It has some truth to it in that too many pulls will in fact hurt your credit. That is absolutely true. But a normal amount, like say for example you apply for a mortgage. If you apply for a mortgage with company A and then company B and company C, company A does that hard pull. It does ding your credit, maybe a point, but it almost immediately rebounds. And every application after that actually does not hurt your score. They're all considered a pull under the same branch of mortgage, for example. And then number three, and probably the biggest myth we hear, is that to do anything in real estate or to get a credit card or make a major purchase, that you need minimum credit scores in the 700s, and that is just not true. When it comes to minimum scores, what most lenders, car dealers, things like that, credit card companies look for are scores as low as 580, sometimes 560. And so with 560 instead of a 700, that's years of work, and that puts a lot of people in a position where they can qualify where they otherwise couldn't. So understanding that one is definitely key as well. Second is knowledge is power. Truly, checking your credit on a regular basis does not hurt. It takes maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and a lot of apps like Mint and Credit Karma nowadays automatically either do it for you or remind you every month, which is super useful. Using these tools will help you understand what's hurting your credit, what's helping your credit, and how to better improve it, because again, whether it's real estate or anything in life, you truly want your credit to be in the best position possible. It's just advantageous in general. And third is, and last admittedly, is asking the experts. First and foremost, for any credit questions, we are always here and always happy to help. When it comes to things that we don't know, one, we always try to gain that knowledge, or two, we can refer you out to some of the best in the business. There are two companies that we're paired with, which are the Credit Experts over here in Houston, and then also a gentleman named Mike Aranda. Both of them have their own companies, and they literally just specialize in helping increase your credit. Whether you're looking to buy or sell a home, purchase a car, apply for a credit card, or maybe you just want to do some touch-up work to your credit, there's truly nothing wrong with reaching out to people like this and getting that expert help. Because what I find is a lot of people, it's almost out of sight, out of mind. If you don't actively check your score, you don't know the position it's in. So definitely heed all these. These are all good things to know, but if there's one thing that you really need to focus on, just make sure to check it and just be knowledgeable about your score, what it means, and how you can increase it. That is a general breakdown of credit scores, how they affect everything in both the regular world and the world of real estate. As always, if you guys have any questions, if you need anything, reach out. We're here. We've got your back. Everybody have an amazing Wednesday here, and here at the Scurlock Group, we're here for any questions you have. Phone number, we'll start including that on the board here, and everybody have an awesome day. Thank you.